Hi, so today I've got another easy camping recipe that's great for those cooler evenings. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thanks for joining me again today for another easy camping recipe. You know, our channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So I've had a lot of you write in and say, Holly, I need some easy meal recipes. And so today we're making taco soup. You know, it's super simple, super easy. I like to do a lot of the prep work when I'm at home. So when we get up camping, all we have to do is dump it all in the pot, warm it up, and dinner is ready. So let's just go ahead and get started. Once again, we are making an easy taco soup. So what you'll need for this recipe is some beef broth, some diced green tomatoes and chilies, some regular just diced tomatoes, some beans. Now you can use any variety that you'd like, a can of corn, a little bit of garlic, cheese. You're gonna need some taco seasoning mix and some ranch dressing, and then we're going to top our taco soup with some Fritos and some sour cream, along with, don't forget, the onions and the ground beef. Now I am just going to throw everything into my Dutch oven. I've got the coals over on the side getting all warmed up. So let's start with the beef broth. You need about 3 cups. And this is a total of 4 cups, so I'm gonna use almost all of it. Can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Those green chilies will add just a little bit of spice. Some diced tomatoes. Now this recipe calls for 2 cans of beans. You can use whatever type you want, pinto, northern, chili beans. I actually forgot one of the beans at home, but we are very far away from a grocery store, so we're just using 1. But this does work a little bit better if you add 2. A can of corn. We're going to add 2 packages of taco seasoning. And I love adding just the pre-packaged taco seasoning because it's just so simple. I've got 1 onion that I've already sliced up at home. Pop that in. I've got 2 pounds of ground beef. Once again, already done at home, makes it so simple. And then we're gonna add, about a teaspoon of garlic. That spoon is not going to fit, so we're gonna just use the old finger here. Okay, let's get that all mixed up. So, you know, we are up here in the Uinta Mountains, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous fall day. The nights are getting colder, the mornings are super crisp, but I thought this warm taco soup would be just perfect for tonight when the sun goes down and it gets a little bit cooler. You know, it's all about trying to extend the camping season just a little bit longer before the snow hits up here in the Uinta Mountains. Okay, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we are going to add ranch seasoning. Now this sounds a little bit odd, but oh my goodness, it gives such a nice flavor to this taco soup. Get it stirred in really good. Now basically, because I have already cooked the hamburger at home, we are just needing to warm this up and let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I have got 24 coals over by the fire getting all nice and warm. So I think we're ready. We're gonna go over to the coals, put the lid on it. Now all 24 coals, because we're just cooking and warming this up, will just stay on the bottom of the Dutch oven. Okay, oh my goodness, that looks delicious. It's just hot and bubbly and warm. You know, what a fun, easy meal, especially for these cooler nights. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. And with this, I'm gonna, ooh, it's hot on the bottom. I'm gonna top it with some cheese and a little bit of Fritos, give it a little bit of crunch, and then some sour cream. Okay, so a warm, hot bowl of taco soup. So what do you think? Doesn't that look delicious? I can't wait to try it. Grab my spoon. Ooh, ooh, hot, yummy, delicious. Okay, that is yummy. So hey, thank you so much for joining me today. It was great to have you here. I hope that maybe I've given you another new idea for a fun, easy camping recipe. So thanks for joining us. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Hey, happy camping, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.